My mother is very mentally, spiritually, and physically active her entire life. About 6 years ago, she began to be forgetful, and her vision and her sense of smell declined. I live almost 3,000 miles away in California. She's in Florida. So what is and still to this day is most important to me is consistency of care, understanding of my mother's care needs, as well as understanding of my situation out here in California, because I'm so far away, it's very difficult. Before joining BAYADA, we had 3 other agencies, 2 for my dad and 1 for my mom. 1 was privately owned and 1 was a franchise. And in all those situations, I couldn't count on them to provide consistent care. I get calls on Friday nights that the caregiver was calling out, and could I please be there on a Saturday morning? Living 3,000 miles away, there was no way I was going to be able to be in Florida on Saturday morning. Fortunately, with BAYADA, even at age 97, she's still extremely active. So BAYADA provides reliable, loving care for my mother and has done so for 3 years. My mother has currently about 72, 73 hours of care per week. She has 3 caregiver aides who come to her home. Fortunately, she's still mobile with a walker. However, her vision and her memory have lapsed, so she needs a lot more support in the activities of daily living. Everything from showering, toileting, skin care, tooth care, meal prep, medication queuing, walking assist. She's the one, that makes sure she doesn't fall down. In addition, all the light household chores she's unable to do. Dishwashing, laundry, keeping the food fresh. Those things are all really important. So you name it, in my mother's life currently, BAYADA makes sure it gets done. And I feel very blessed because I'm confident and I trust that BAYADA is going to be there for my mom, for her mind, body, and spirit, and for my peace of mind. Everybody that I've interacted with at BAYADA there's this heartfelt desire to enrich my mother's life. I don't feel like I hired them and they're my employees, right? I feel like we're all in this together. They're part of my family helping to take care of my mother, as opposed to these are people I hired. And I'm extremely fortunate and blessed right now that help is coming from BAYADA.